Hello children, now we can see the poem Summer Sun. The name of the poem is Summer Sun. It is written by Robert Louis Stevenson and was born in Scotland. He was born in Scotland. He was a lawyer who later decided to become a writer. So Stevenson, he was a lawyer and later he became a writer. Stevenson and also loved to travel. He and his family traveled in their own ship across the Pacific Ocean and visited many islands. So he and his family, they traveled in his own ship across the Pacific Ocean and visited many islands. He spent the last years of his life on the island of Upolu, Samoa. So he spent the last years of his life on the island of Upolu, Samoa. He was known as Tastela, which in the local language means storyteller. So Tastela means it is a storyteller. The popular novels Treasure Island and Kidnapped were written by him. So his famous novels are Treasure Island and Kidnapped. So he was traveling across and the last years they were living in the island. Okay, let us see about the poem. Great is the sun and wide he goes through empty heaven without repose. So great is the sun, wide he goes. So sun is so great and he goes for a wide. Wide means for a wide area. He goes to the wide area. So sun is great and he goes for the wide area through empty heaven without repose. So he is going, who here he represents the sun. The sun goes to the empty heaven without any repose. Repose means rest. Repose meaning here it is given rest. So, and in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain, he showers his rays. So, he was traveling in the blue and glowing days. The days are very glowing, shining. Blue means the sky is blue. The blue refers here the sky in the glowing days. More thick than rain, he showers his rays. He is very thick. Who? The sun's rays are very thicker than the rain shower. So, than the rain showers, the sun's rays are so thick. Though closer still the blinds we pull to keep the shady parlor cool. So, though closer still the blinds. So, blinds means it is a thick curtain. So, in our house, we will use curtains. So, though closer still the blinds we pull to keep the shady parlor. So, through the windows, we get the sun rays even through the windows. So, we have to close it with the curtains. That is, blinds means the curtains. And to keep the shady parlor cool. So, parlor means a room to meet the guest in. So, blinds mean thick curtains. Parlor means a room to meet the guest in. So, as the sun's rays even falls through the windows. So, it is falls through the windows. So, we are using curtain to close it. Yet, he will find a chick or two. So, chick is a crack or a narrow opening. Yet he will find a chick or two to slip his golden fingers through. So see how beautifully the poet was written these lines, that the rays of the sun will fall inside our home even through a small crack. Chick means it is a small crack or narrow opening, I said. So even if there is a small gap or small hole in our room, so the rays will pass us through those narrow opening, those holes and those gaps. So to slip his golden fingers through. So how the rays looks like? It looks like a golden fingers. The sun's rays is falling on our window means it is in yellow color, you know. So he is describing it as a golden fingers through. The dusty attic, spider clad, he threw the keyhole and maked it glad. So, dusty attic means even you can find in some godowns like that were full of dust and spider clad, full of spider. So even in the closed houses, even in closed rooms, the sun will show his rays. He threw the keyhole, maketh glad. So even when we are in the door, you can find some hole for opening the keyhole. So through the keyhole, the sun rays are coming out inside our rooms, even from through the keyhole. And through the broken edges of the tiles. So tiles here refers to the roof of the hair, it a broken edge of the tiles. So the roof of the room. So even if there is a broken edge, so the sun's rays will fall through the tiles in that edge into the ladder aloft smiles. Ladder aloft here they mentions the upper floor of a farm building used for storing hay. So storing hay, that place is called as a hay loft. So even in the hay store place also we can see the sun's rays. Meantime, his golden face around. Whose golden face? The sun's face looks like a golden face. Why they says like that? Because it shines in yellow. So, it is said to be as a golden face. He bears to all the garden ground. So, the golden face is all around the garden. So, we can find the sun rays all over the garden and sheds a warm and glittering look. So, sun is shedding the warm and glittering look among the eve's inmost nook. Nook here is a deep hidden corner. So even in a nook and corner, the sun rays falls. Above the hills, along the blue round the bright air with the footing true. So even where in the hills, above the hills, along the blues, round the bright air with the footing true. Footing true is a steady and balanced way of walking. So wherever we walk, wherever we go, the sun rays falls. To please the child, to paint the rose, the gardener of the world he goes. So to please the child, so the child was pleased to see the sun's rays. To paint the rose, so all the flowers and plants need the sun rays. The gardener of the, so he is the gardener of the world. Who? The sun is the gardener of the world. He goes. So the sun rays falls around the earth. So that is it here. So in a beautiful manner, the Oral Stevenson has explained this poem, the summer sun, in a beautiful manner.